Hari Om. Good. So we want to welcome all of you to our special celebration. This is Valentine's Day. To all your Valentines, I'm sure everybody has a Valentine. If nothing else, you can think of your parents. They're your Valentines. So it is wonderful to see all of you and to our CS Varanjali team and the puja vidhi that has been set up. So I'll give you a little recap of what Chinmaya Mission is. This is the 75th anniversary. Many organizations struggle to reach 75 years. We are thriving and growing. So thanks to all of you and all of the people around the world who have made this happen. So some may know that we have close to 100 centers in North America and the Caribbean, and it continues to grow. And anywhere you go in North America, you can probably find a center or other Chinmaya Mission members. So this started back in 1951 when Swami Chinmayananda, whom we call Gurudev, who's in the middle there, or over there, who started with his first yajna in Pune, in Rastapet, in a small Ganesha temple. And you'll get a chance to see what happened in the movie that we have for the afternoon. So our celebrations will go on for the whole year. Each center in North America will be rotating through. Actually, they're divided into 4 different divisions, and each of them has their own schedule. So having said that, our own center here started back 29 years ago. We're entering our 30th year, thanks to everybody. And the one thing to remember here in Chinmaya Mission is we are all sevaks. We all volunteer our time, and it's a privilege to work with so many people who dedicate their time and doing that. And Ganesh, somewhere in the middle, will discuss about how and what programs we do here. So our current head is Swami Swarupananda. He has issued a wonderful set of guidelines, and Chinmaya Mission also now has a full university in India, along with about 100 schools and colleges, and 1 full K through 12 school in Trinidad, whom some of our members from here have had a chance to visit. It's wonderful to see these things grow. And so I thank all of you for coming. More importantly, I hope you get a good understanding what Chinmaya Mission does. The Bala Vihar is a very important part of our program, but it doesn't stop there. We go from 0 to infinity. That's our goal. So thank you for all that. And one of the things that you want to take away from this, if nothing else, what Gurudev taught, is that we have to lift ourselves by ourselves. He gives you the guidelines. He gives you the roadmap. And Chinmaya Mission helps you do that. If you put your heart and soul into it, I think we get more out of it than we put into it. So welcome all. I'll hand over to Swaranjali. I'll have Suma or Pratibha talk about Swaranjali a little later. And Yashodhara, thank you for conducting the puja. And she'll explain how you can do Manasa Puja also during that. Okay? Hari Om. Do you want to talk about Swaranjali now or later? Pratibha, oh, she's there. She's hiding over there. Okay. Over to Pratibha. Hari Om.
Hari Om. As Swami Chinmayananda ji observed, music is an ornamentation of silence and should be used by seekers to experience the silence within in our quest towards oneness with our divine self. His love for Indian classical music and the arts has given way to the formation of this bhajan wing of Chinmaya Mission, Swaranjali, where we come together on Sundays and learn and sing bhajans. The kids group meets at 11 o'clock, and bhajans is a great tool to chant the name of the divine and to connect with the divine. And these kids are very enthusiastic about participating and singing for the celebration of Amrit Mahotsav, a grand global celebration. And Swaranjali is a very effective tool to have the kids feel devotion in their own way, to chant the name of the divine, the Nama Sankirtana. And it helps them with the sound and the vibrations, help them for positivity and also for uplifting and helping in their own spiritual growth. So our Swaranjali group is excited to sing on this momentous occasion, and we will begin with a prayer song, a Guru Bhajan, Guru Hamare Man Mandir Mein. After that beautiful bhajan that can take us into meditation, we switch gear and would like to sing a song for the Amrit Mahotsav. It goes in the great festival of Chinmaya Amrita, spiritual nectar. We are delighted, we are blessed. We offer our grateful salutations to the Guru, Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. We humbly submit this song. We make our special respectful request. O Lord of the universe, Jagadishwara, with joy bestow your blessings always upon us.
request the children that are side, come to this side, that way that is coming late and my God, and after that side first, that way we are studying. Can see.
The group will now present the anthem song, Chinmaya Balavihar, Laiga Naveenata. It's a beautiful song that captures the essence of what it means to be a Balavihar student. Thanks to all the teachers, our kids learn the various aspects and the essence of our culture and the Vedantic aspects through their Balavihar classes. So, this song for all the teachers and our gurus. And before we begin, my special thanks to Advait, who's on the keyboard, and Nikhil on the tabla, two high schoolers who can be inspiring for all other kids. They're making time and being here with us. Shubhashri, Sumaji, and myself are we consider it a fortune to be able to work with all these kids, learn and share the bhajans and the songs every week. Thank you. Now we begin with Chinmaya Balavihar.
भारत माँ के लाल हम एक राग गाएंगे, भारत माँ के लाल हम एक राग गाएंगे, भारत माँ के लाल हम एक राग गाएंगे, तन मन एक प्राण एक भाव एक गाएंगे, तन मन एक भाव एक भाव एक गाएंगे, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा नवीनता, चिन्मया धर्म प्रेम की ज्योत को जलाएंगे, धर्म धर्म प्रेम की ज्योत को जलाएंगे, धर्म धर्म प्रेम की ज्योत को जलाएंगे, विनम्रता मनुष्यता सहिष्णुता दिखाएंगे, विनम्रता मनुष्यता सहिष्णुता दिखाएंगे, रूढ़ रीति नीति और गूढ़ता निभाएंगे, रूढ़ रीति नीति और गूढ़ता मिटाएंगे, सुमधुर स्वर्ग से सभ्यता बनाएंगे, सुमधुर स्वर्ग से सभ्यता बनाएंगे, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा नवीनता, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा एकता, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा नवीनता, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा एकता, ज्ञान श्रद्धा के महत्व को बताएंगे, भक्ति ज्ञान श्रद्धा के महत्व को बताएंगे, विद्युत गति से हम परिवर्तन लाएंगे, विद्युत गति से हम परिवर्तन लाएंगे, सर्वक्षेम के स्वप्न बीज को हम बोएंगे, सर्वक्षेम के स्वप्न बीज को हम बोएंगे, वसुदेव कुटुम्बकम की भावना बनाएंगे, वसुदेव कुटुम्बकम की भावना बनाएंगे, चिन्मया बालविहार लाएगा को हम गाएंगे, भारतीय संस्कृति को खूब हम सजाएंगे, भारतीय संस्कृति को खूब हम सजाएंगे। चिन्मया वन विहार लाएगा नवीनता, चिन्मया वन विहार लाएगा एकता, चिन्मया वन विहार लाएगा नवीनता, चिन्मया वन विहार लाएगा एकता।
Thank you all. Hope our kids group has inspired more of us to sing. Thank you. And now on to the puja.
No, Ganesh.
Hari Om. Once again, welcome to our special event related to Amrit Mahotsav. Today we are celebrating Valentine's Day. My name is Ganesh. I'm one of the many volunteers here at Chinmaya Mission Portland. And I've been asked to talk a little bit about all the different activities that we do here at Chinmaya Mission Portland. So what I've done here is to talk about the events and activities that we have here at Chinmaya Portland. I want to take a step back, look at Chinmaya Mission's vision. So Chinmaya Mission's vision statement says, you can read it, right? Okay. The vision statement says the inner transformation of individuals through knowledge of Vedanta, spiritual practices, and service to society, resulting in a happy world around them. Now, to really understand all the different activities, what we really need to do is to break this vision statement into three parts. The first part is the what. The what are we doing in Chinmaya Mission? What is the goal of Chinmaya Mission? Goal of Chinmaya Mission is spreading the knowledge of Vedanta and spiritual practices, the reason behind the spiritual practices. And we will talk about a little bit about one of the main spiritual practices that we follow, which is puja, and the symbolism behind it. So the what of Chinmaya Mission is the knowledge of Vedanta and the spiritual practices. The why. Why do we do all of these things? Why do we do what we do? It is to really serve the society, serve the people, serve the community around us. That's the true goal of why we practice everything that we practice. And what is the result of all of this? Result of all of this is a happy me and a happy world around us. So if we understand these three components of the vision statement, it becomes a lot more easier to understand all the activities and why we do those activities. Now, Kishore talked a little bit about the global Chinmaya Mission. Globally, Chinmaya Mission has hundreds of locations. North America itself has like 100+ locations. Portland is one of the smaller locations compared to Los Angeles or Chicago or New York or Dallas and all that. It's a much smaller location, but it's one of the most bustling locations. We have so many different activities that happen throughout the year. What I've done here is to understand the activities, again, two types of activities. One is the activities around gaining knowledge of Vedanta and spiritual practices, which is the what of Chinmaya Mission. So let's see the activities for children. The flagship event, the flagship activity of Chinmaya Mission is the Balavihar program. Balavihar program is a program that is available for, like Kishore said, all the way from infant age all through 12th grade is what we run Balavihar for. And if you look at the structured curriculum that Balavihar offers, it starts with stories. At the younger age, it starts with stories. And when they get into middle age, like 5th grade, they learn about the symbolism. So from stories to symbolism, they understand why we do what we do. And today we will see the symbolism behind the puja, which is something that 5th graders are learning. The 16 steps involved in puja and why are those, what's the significance of those 16 steps are all things that they learn as a part of their 5th grade curriculum. So stories to symbolism to philosophy, the philosophy behind our religion, and then more importantly, how do you apply that philosophy? So when you get to high school, what they learn is Bhagavad Gita, which is the core of the philosophy of Hinduism. And then in 11th and 12th grade, they learn a book called Self-Unfoldment, which is the application of Bhagavad Gita. So it's a very, very well-structured curriculum, starting with stories all the way to application of the philosophy so that we all can lead a happy life. So that's the core activity. And then on a weekly basis, there is Vedic chanting that is available for kids. There is Hindi classes, which helps us connect better with the Indian culture. That's again a weekly activity. Swaranjali, Pratibha talked quite a bit about Swaranjali choir activity, which is also a weekly activity. And we just saw and heard the wonderful kids perform. Occasionally, we conduct workshops by our acharyas. We have a lot of acharyas and Swamijis visiting us from not just from North American centers, but also from worldwide, from India as well. And occasionally, they conduct workshops for the kids. And then one of the unique things that we have done twice in Chinmaya Mission Portland is what is called as a Samashti Upanayanam. We all know what Upanayanam is. As a practice, it's the threading ceremony, but there's a lot of symbolism behind Upanayanam. And 2 times so far in the last 10 years of setting up this building, we have done a Samashti Upanayanam, which is like an Upanayanam, the symbolism of Upanayanam for many kids. So those are like very, very unique kind of activities offered by Chinmaya Mission. Now, the first set of activities that we saw were around learning and understanding the practices. Now, how do you serve the society with all of that? And there's a whole bunch of activities for children, starting with every Sunday, some of our high schoolers do ELL tutoring. ELL is English Language Learners. So kids who are less privileged, who don't understand the language, our high schoolers tutor them every Sunday. A lot of activities around building upkeep. We do recycling of a lot of things, and kids help us sort that. That's a weekly activity. Every second Saturday of every month, it's an exclusive homeless shelter cooking for kids. And then tree plantation is a quarterly activity that's available for the kids. Road cleanup is yet another quarterly activity. Service visit to India, that's a very unique opportunity for kids attending Chinmaya Mission all over the US, where they are taken to some remote village in India and they get to spend a week to 10 days of doing service activity in India. That's yet another unique activity. So if you look at all of these are all with the goal of serving the larger society, not just the society in and around where you live, but the larger society. We also do food bank service, which is a yearly activity, and then kids come up and do a lot of summer camps. They lead summer camps, and for the last many years, they've been leading summer camps here at Chinmaya Mission. So these are all activities with the goal of serving the society. Now, if we look at the activities for adults, again, 2 categories of activities. The first one being gaining knowledge. Study groups. We have 13 different study groups that happens every week. And if you look at the kind of study groups that are offered, it starts with the most simple kind of texts, which are application of Vedanta. The texts that we do our self-unfoldment, art of man-making. Those are all like just simple English-based textbooks for entry-level study group. And then it moves on to Sanskrit-based texts like Bhajagovindam, Manashodhanam, and Tattvabodha are 3 different Sanskrit-based study groups that we offer right now. It keeps changing every year. And then we have multiple Bhagavad Gita study groups that are happening, and then we have Upanishad study group as well. So a wide variety of study groups, 13 to be precise, every week, based on where you are, based on what your interests are. Please do join these study groups. And I know many of you are already part of some of these study groups. Vedic chanting classes are available for adults as well, weekly activity, yoga classes, weekly Jnana Yajnas, 5 to 6 times a year. We get acharyas visiting us for almost every other month. And we have Shubhani ji visiting us next month, Isharananda ji visiting us in May. So these are all unique opportunities where we can listen to Swamijis in terms of attending these Jnana Yajnas. And special workshops happen occasionally. So these are all the activities for adults. And these are some unique workshops that we've done over the last many years. We've done Gita Parichaya Camp, we've done Upanishad Parichaya Camp, and a couple years ago, we've also done Empty Nesters Camp. In terms of serving the society, teaching opportunities, plenty of teaching opportunities for Balavihar as well as Hindi classes. Cooking on Sundays, every Sunday we cook. building upkeep, a lot of monthly, weekly, quarterly activities. Homeless shelter cooking happens every Saturday. A lot of volunteers needed for that. Helping kids with the roadside cleanup, tree plantation, all of those are quarterly opportunities for adults. Festival preparation. We have many festivals that we celebrate. Almost every Indian festival is celebrated, including Diwali. Holi is coming up in a month. Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, and not just Indian festivals, we also do celebrate Thanksgiving. So plenty of opportunities to serve the community for all of us as adults. We've also done medical camp for senior citizens, which we have done a couple of times in the past many years. So many different opportunities, but it all goes back to the larger vision of Chinmaya Mission, which is learning the knowledge of Vedanta and all the rituals that we practice, and putting it to practice by serving the society. So that's the goal. And today being Valentine's Day, let us all find ways to express our love to our neighbors, our friends, our family, express our devotion to the larger, which could be the God, it could be the country, it could be the company that we work for. So express our love and devotion and sort of work on our values to be a better human being so that we can impact the society around us. Thank you and welcome again.
Hari Om, everybody. We will start with Om. Please sit down nicely with back straight. And it's only half an hour puja. Try to be focused. Connect. That is what. If you have a cell phone and it doesn't connect, you cannot talk to the person that you are going to talk. Like that, we have to connect to our Gurudev. The work that you heard just by Ganeshji, how much work he produced last 75 years through Chinmaya Mission. So please keep silence and connect to our Gurudev's feet. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We start invoking Lord Ganesha's blessings first. So Ganesha Prarthana. Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vighnopasantaye. Om Sri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Samasta Vedopachara Rajopachara Bhaktyopacharan Sektyopacharan Samarpayami. Offer the flower and the fruit to Ganesha. I will tell you when you start. We have that yellow rice is called akshata. And we have chandan, that is the brown paste in your plate. And Hershey kisses are the naivedya. Okay? We are taking the sankalpam, the oath that we are seeking the blessings of our Gurudev. So everybody have little bit that yellow rice, that is akshata in your right hand, and close it with your left hand. Keep it on your right thigh. Whatever the sankalpam, that whatever the desire that you have also, you can tell it in your mind to offer to Gurudev. ममोपात्ता समस्तदुरितक्षयद्वारा अस्मिन् मुहूर्ते ज्ञानवैराग्यभक्तिविद्याविनयप्राप्त्यर्थं च श्रीसद्गुरुप्रसादसिद्ध्यर्थं च श्रीसद्गुरुकृपाकटाक्षसिद्ध्यर्थं च श्रीगुरुपादुकापूजां करिष्यामः. So please offer those akshata, whatever is in your mind, whatever is your desire. Moksha prapti siddhirastu. So offer to that feet of the Gurudev. Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandji pictures are all in front of you. So until now, Gurudev is in our hearts. We need to bring them back. Bring it to the picture to invoke his presence. So everybody have a hand on your heart. ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. We did dhyanam to our Guru. Now we are bringing him to the picture that is called Avahanam. Guru Stotram is on the slides. On the slide, if someone can put Guru Stotram Akhanda Mandalakara. Okay. अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः. आवाहनं समर्पयामि. Touch the picture with your hand that was from the heart. Now asanam samarpayami. The steel plate that is in front of you is the seat for our Gurudev now. So ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjanashalakaya चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः. आसनं समर्पयामि. Touch the plate. It's like when the guest comes, we will show them, please sit down like that. That's the seat that we are showing it to our Gurudev. Now we are offering the water. You all don't have water, you just give 2 pieces of yellow rice dakshata. And these teachers, aunties are going to offer the Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurureva Param Brahma. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः. पाद्यं समर्पयामि. Now अर्घ्यं. स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः. अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि. Again akshatan for you, water for you. Achamanim. We are giving water to drink to Gurudev. चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः. आचमनीयं समर्पयामि. Now we offer the bath. We are not doing longer abhishekam today. But usually here we do the Abhishekam. We wash the feet of the Padukas of our Gurudev. If Guru is in present, we wash his feet. Sarvashruti Shiroratna Virajita Padambujaha Vedantambuja Suryoyaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Snaniyam Samarpayami. Now we offer new clothes to Gurudev. Chaitanya Shashvata Shanto Vyomatito Niranjanaha Bindunada Kalatitaha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Vastram samarpayami. You are all Vastradha Nakshatan samarpayami. Now you have a brown paste in your plate, that is Chandan Gandham. We are going to offer Gandham later. Jnana Sakti Samarudaha Tattvamala Vibhushitaha Bhukti Mukti Pradata Cha Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Gandham Dharayami. You hold the plate, the picture with left hand and use one of these two fingers, not the index finger, not this finger, the other one of these two fingers, and touch the chandan and put it on the face or on the feet, and both. Please apply the chandan for the chandan. Yes, done? Okay, now next have some akshata in your hand, the yellow rice. All other adults can feel that you are doing puja by touching your heart and offering to the feet of Gurudev like this. Just the bhavan is more important when we are doing whatever. Aneka janma sampraptam karma bandha vidahine atmajnana pradanena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Akshatan samarpayami. Now you all have a flower that we are going to offer to the feet of our Guru. Soshanam bhava sindhoscha jnapanam sara sampadaha Guru padodakam samyak Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Pushpam Samarpayami. You have a pulamala, pushpamala you can offer. Now we are going to do the Ashtottara-Namavali, that is all the attributes of our Gurudev work. You can hear so many things that we still see in our centers and in the missions that we visit. He has mainly the one that I like is Gita Jnana Yajna Pracharakaya Namaha. He brought the Bhagavad Gita to every home by coming from Tapovan Maharaj to down south and all over the world. Okay, so when we are doing Ashtotram, you can see the presence on every action of Gurudev here and feel it. Okay, repeat after me. Please, Chinmayananji Ashtotram. You can repeat after me also. Om Ajaya Namaha. Om Ajaya Namaha. Om Avyayaya Namaha. Om Avyayaya Namaha. Om Avinashine Namaha. Om Avinashine Namaha. Om Acintyaya Namaha. Om Acintyaya Namaha. Om Aprameyaya Namaha. Om Advitiyaya Namaha. Om Aniketaya Namaha. Om Anushashana Priyaya Namaha. Om Antasakshine Namaha. Om Antaryamine Namaha. Om Anandaya Namaha. When we say Namaha, we offer the akshata that is in front of you. Flowers or akshata, whatever you have. Om Atma Swarupaya Namaha. Om Angla Bhasha Viduttamaya Namaha. Om Ishwaraya Namaha. Om Budara Hrudayaya Namaha. Om Utsahavardhakaya Namaha. Om Ekasmai Namaha. Om Omkara Vide Namaha. Om Karuna Sagaraya Namaha. Om Karma Parayanaya Namaha. Om Kalatitaya Namaha. Om Kaivalya Swarupaya Namaha. Om Krutatmane Namaha. Om Krutakrutyaya Namaha. Om Gita Jnana Yajna Pracharakaya Namaha. Om Gurave Namaha. Om Gunatitaya Namaha. Om Grandhakrite Namaha. Om Chinmayaya Namaha. Om Chinna Samshayaya Namaha. Om Jagadatmane Namaha. ॐ जगत्साक्षिणे नमः ॐ जनप्रियाय नमः ॐ जितेन्द्रियाय नमः ॐ जीवब्रह्मैक्यविदे नमः ॐ जीवन्मुक्ताय नमः ॐ जीर्णमन्दिरोद्धारकाय नमः ॐ तपोवनशिष्याय नमः ॐ तपस्विने नमः ॐ तापनाशनाय नमः ॐ तीर्थस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ तेजस्विने नमः ॐ देहातीताय नमः ॐ द्वन्द्वातीताय नमः ॐ दृढनिश्चयाय नमः ॐ धर्मसंस्थापकाय नमः ॐ धीमते नमः ॐ धीराय नमः ॐ धैर्यप्रदाय नमः ॐ नारायणाय नमः ॐ निजानन्दाय नमः ॐ निरपेक्षाय नमः ॐ निस्पृहाय नमः ॐ निरुपमाय नमः ॐ निर्विकल्पाय नमः ॐ नित्याय नमः ॐ निरञ्जनाय नमः ॐ परमाय नमः ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः ॐ पावनाय नमः ॐ पावकाय नमः ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः ॐ प्रसन्नात्मने नमः ॐ फलासक्तिरहिताय नमः ॐ बहुभक्ताय नमः ॐ बन्धमोचकाय नमः ॐ ब्रह्मनिष्ठाय नमः ॐ ब्रह्मपराय नमः ॐ भयनाशनाय नमः ॐ भारतगौरवाय नमः ॐ भूम्ने नमः ॐ महावाक्योपदेशकाय नमः। ॐ महर्षये नमः। ॐ मधुरस्वभावाय नमः। ॐ मनोहराय नमः। ॐ महात्मने नमः। ॐ मेधाविने नमः। ॐ यतात्मने नमः। ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः। ॐ लोकप्रसिद्धाय नमः। ॐ वाग्मिने नमः। ॐ विभवे नमः। ॐ विनोदप्रियाय नमः। ॐ विनयशीलाय नमः। ॐ वीतरागाय नमः। ॐ वेदान्तवेद्याय नमः। ॐ शान्ताय नमः। ॐ शान्तिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ शास्त्रोद्धारकाय नमः। ॐ शुद्धसत्त्वाय नमः। ॐ श्रुतिपारगाय नमः। ॐ श्रोत्रियाय नमः। ॐ सन्न्यासिने नमः। ॐ समबुद्धये नमः। ॐ सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः। ॐ सर्वहितचिन्तकाय नमः। ॐ सत्यसङ्कल्पाय नमः। ॐ सन्तुष्टाय नमः। ॐ साधवे नमः। ॐ सुमनसे नमः। ॐ सुहृदे नमः। ॐ स्वयं ज्योतिषे नमः। ॐ स्थितप्रज्ञाय नमः। ॐ क्षमाशीलाय नमः। ॐ ज्ञानमूर्तये नमः। ॐ ज्ञानयोगिने नमः। ॐ ज्ञानतृप्ताय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ఓం శ్రీ చిన్మయ సద్గురవే నమః. అష్టోత్ర నీరాజనం సమర్పయామి. వెరీ గుడ్. అగైన్ we want Guru Stotram to be. Dhupam. न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. ॐ श्रीचिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः. धूपमाघ्रापयामि. You offer akshata if you still have some. Deepam. We have one more deepam that you just show. Here, there is one. Could you take that? मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथः मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. దీపం. ఓం శ్రీ చిన్మయ సద్గురవే నమః. దీపం దర్శయామి. నైవేద్యం. గురురాదిరనాదిశ్చ గురుర్పరమదైవతం గురోత్పరతరం నాస్తి తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః. Everybody has a Harshi kisses. Please keep in front of the picture, in front of the Gurudev, and use your fingers. Om Pranaya Swaha, Om Apanaya Swaha, Om Vyanaya Swaha, Om Budanaya Swaha, Om Samanaya Swaha, Om Brahmane Swaha. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Naivedyam Nivedayami. Mangala Nirajanam. Bell, ring the bell also. ఓం న తత్ర సూర్యో భాతి న చంద్రతారకం నైనా విద్యుతో భాంతి కుతోయమగ్నిః తమేవ భాంతమనుభాతి సర్వం తస్య భాసా సర్వమిదం విభాతి. ఓం శ్రీ చిన్మయ సద్గురవే నమః. మంగళ నీరాజనం సమర్పయామి. Pradakshana Namaskaram now. You put your hands like that and do like this. Yani kani cha papani janmantara krutani cha tani tani vinasyanti pradakshana pade pade. Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Pradakshana Namaskaran Samarpayami. Prayashchittam, whatever the mistakes that we did in our puja, we ask for forgiveness and prayashchittam. Avahanam na janami visarjanam pujam chaiva na janami kshamasva paramottama अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष पुरुषोत्तमा. Now we are going to do Atma Nivedanam, that is Kayenam Vacha Manasendriyarva. After that we will do the Arati there, Madhura Krishna and Chinmaya Arati. Everybody, you put your Akshata back in your bag. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Once I do the Kayana, you will announce Aparna. You can give the plate there, and we have two rows. You can do it.
So we clean up after ourselves. So the last row is when get one by one. When the Lavika auntie and Shaila auntie is there, if the so they should clear the mat is in the back to that to include in the order
Everybody, you have the flower also, yes? The flower that you have, extra flower that you can hold in your hand. And कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि श्रीनारायणायेति समर्पयामि. Offer that flower to the feet of the Lord, feet of the Gurudev, and take it, and you decorate your head or whatever you want to do it, do it. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity. And we will do the Arati now. We have 2 rows, maybe. We have one more Arati here. So, thank you so much.
Hari Om. So as we are getting ready for the Aarti, just wanted to say a few words of thanking everybody. So in the true spirit of volunteering, I think every hand of our Chinmay family stretches out to help us at each occasion to make it a big success. So no surprises here too. Thank you for all of you to show up. And thank you for the Suranjali teachers and kids to make it such a wonderful beginning. Thank you for the festival committee who has put hard hours to get this event going. And this is just the beginning. So we have got events throughout the year, and I'm sure your hands will stay stretched to help us out. And we definitely make sure that we all participate. Thank you to the video audio committee, which has been really hard to get our best pictures. And not the least, thank you to the food catering and all other Shadras committee, which has been always showing up every week after week to help us out with sumptuous lunch. So thank you, everybody. Thanks to all the organizers. This is just the beginning, as I said again. We have got many activities coming up throughout the year. So we keep the enthusiasm going now that we have started with the pledge to our Puja Gurudev. We'll keep continuing with this message. After the lunch, so we all will have, after the Aarti, we'll move to the lunch. After the lunch, we all come back here for watching the message and getting inspired from the life of our Puja Gurudev. We will watch the movie On a Quest, after which we will have ice creams for kids and adults who needs, like me, and tea, etc., snacks for others. So please stay back, don't leave, and we will have tea and then only we will leave.
Hari Om, you can form 2 lines. We'll do the Aarti. Form 2 lines. Form 2 lines, please. Those who have given the plates back, please form 2 lines. റിപ്പീറ്റ് ഒന്നും അടിക്കുന്നില്ല ഞാൻ കാരണം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടിലേക്ക് അവിടെ നിർത്തും. ഓക്കെ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കുറേ നേരം എടുക്കും. मंगल आरती प्रिया प्रीतम की मंगल प्रीति रीति दोन की मंगल कांति हसनि दसनन की मंगल मुरली वीणा धुन की मंगल आरती। मंगल बनिक त्रिभंगी हरि की, मंगल सेवा सब सहचर की, मंगल सिर चंद्रिका मुकुट की, मंगल छवि नैनन में अटकी, मंगल आरती। मंगल छटा पबी अंग अंग की, मंगल गौर श्याम रस रंग की, मंगल अति कटि पियरे पट की, मंगल चितवनी नागर नट की, मंगल आरती। मंगल शोभा कमल नयन की, मंगल माधुरी मृदुल बैन की, मंगल वृंदावन मग अटकी, मंगल क्रीडन जमुना तट की, मंगल आरती। मंगल चरण अरुण तरुवन की, मंगल हरणि भक्ति हरिजन की, मंगल जुगल प्रिया भावन की, मंगल श्री राधा जीवन की, मंगल आरती प्रिया प्रीतम की, मंगल प्रीति रीति दोन की, मंगल आरती। मंगल आरती। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की, आरती सद्गुरु की। शरणों में उनके शांति समाए, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया, शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्ध भारी के तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे, भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की, आरती सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। ओम न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकं, नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः, तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं, तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। बोलिए श्रीमद् कृष्ण भगवान की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Om, we are going to,
No, just so.
yeah, we are going to have a prasadam naivedyam in the kitchen, Shadras. So before that, we are going to chant chapter 15 Bhagavad Gita. Whoever wants to chant, please join us here. Chapter 15. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अतः पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः। श्रीभगवानुवाच ऊर्ध्वमूलमधः शाखम् अश्वत्थं प्राहुरव्ययम् छन्दांसि यस्य पर्णानि यस्तं वेद स वेदवित् अधश्चोर्ध्वं प्रसृतास्तस्य शाखाः गुणप्रवृद्धा विषयप्रबालाः अधश्च मूलान्यनुसन्ततानि कर्मानुबन्धीनि मनुष्यलोके न रूपमस्येह ततोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असङ्गशस्त्रेण दृढेन चित्वा ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी निर्मानमोहाजितसङ्गदोषाः अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुखदुःखसंज्ञैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यः न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनः षष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यच्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते उत्क्रामन्तं स्थितं वापि भुञ्जानं वा गुणान्वितं विमूढानानुपश्यन्ति पश्यन्ति ज्ञानचक्षुषः यतन्तो योगिनश्चैनं पश्यन्त्यात्मन्यवस्थितं यतन्तोऽप्यकृतात्मानः नैनं पश्यन्त्यचेतसः यदादित्यगतं तेजः जगद्भासयतेऽखिलं यच्चन्द्रमसि यच्छाग्नौ तत्तेजो विद्धि मामकं गामाविश्य च भूतानि धारयाम्यहमोजसां पुष्णामि चौषधिः सर्वाः सोमो भूत्वा रसात्मकः अहं वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचाम्यन्नं चतुर्विधं सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टः मत्तस्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यः वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहम् द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके क्षरश्चाक्षर एव च क्षरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः यस्माक्षरमतीतोऽहम् अक्षरादपि चोत्तमः अतोऽस्मि लोके वेदे च प्रथितः पुरुषोत्तमः यो मामेवमसम्मूढः जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्वविद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम् इदमुक्तं मया नघ एतद्बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान् स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे पुरुषोत्तमयोगो नाम पञ्चदशोऽध्यायः हरिः ओं श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओं ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्म हविः ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना अन्नदाता सुखी भव परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः
Not holding. Your touch is not there. Your special touch. Yeah. One behind.
Oh, that's amazing.
किसका है ये?
सब हमारा नहीं, उनका है।
दरोगा जी, मंदिर के प्रसाद के लिए दूध जा रहा है। खोल के दिखाओ। प्रसाद का दूध है। खोल के दिखाओ। क्या प्रसाद को अपवित्र करेंगे? हाँ ठीक है। मोहनलाल, चलो हो गया। अब क्या? जय बजरंगबली की। जय बजरंगबली की।
Sir, keep trying. You'll find him.
हाँ, कहाँ भाग के जाएगा? We will find him. चलो चलो।